Welcome to our video comparing two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT and the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and overall value for gamers and tech enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for high-end performance or budget-friendly options, we've got you covered. The XFX Speedster QICK 319 RX 7800 XT is designed for high-performance gaming, capable of handling demanding titles at 1440p and even 4K resolutions, thanks to its 16GB of GDDR6 memory and advanced RDNA3 architecture. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT offers a more budget-friendly option, delivering good performance for 1080p and 1440p gaming with its 12GB GDDR6 memory. While both cards utilize PCI Express 4.0, the RX 7800 XT's newer architecture provides a noticeable edge in high-resolution gaming scenarios. When it comes to pricing, the XFX Speedster RX 7800 XT is priced at $499, reflecting its high-end capabilities and performance. On the other hand, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT is available at a more budget-friendly price of $349, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. This price difference is significant, especially for those who may not require the absolute best performance for their gaming needs. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The XFX Speedster RX 7800 XT features a robust triple-fan cooling solution that effectively dissipates heat, ensuring optimal performance even under load. In contrast, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT utilizes a dual-fan design, which, while effective, may not provide the same level of cooling efficiency as its competitor. This difference in cooling solutions can impact performance during extended gaming sessions, especially at higher settings. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster RX 7800 XT and the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT offer unique advantages depending on your gaming needs and budget. The RX 7800 XT excels in performance and cooling, making it ideal for high-end gaming setups, while the RX 6750 XT provides solid performance at a more accessible price point. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.